weeks, working real hard, staying in the gym. That's how boys become men. You wanna succeed, then you gotta be in. Don't cheat yourself, you can do it in the gym. You don't have to lose, sometimes you can win. Try to be patient, stay dedicated. I'm always in the gym, that's where you might find me. 33 years old and they still wanna sign me. I'm strong, I'm in shape, something like an ape. I'm all natural, you all fake. I'm the python, I'm the snake. I go to Scranton to run the lake. I go to Uno to lift the weights. What you do, nothing for you. Why you can, believe in you. Results don't come fast enough. We need a help that will last us. More time will go and pass us. Trying to get big, I gotta lift weights. I wanna look good, I wanna feel great. I got it too good, I gotta get in shape. I'm trying to get big, I gotta lift weights. I wanna look good, I wanna feel great. I got it too good, I gotta get in shape. I'm trying to get big, I gotta lift weights. I wanna look good, I wanna feel great. The elliptical machine will make you sweat. Now you drenched, you soaking wet. Where's the goals that you set? You lost the weight, you won the bet. You got in shape, you looking good. You exercise, you chop the wood. I don't doubt you, I know you could. That's the point, you wanna prove. Now you move, you run fast. From taking all them fitness class. Now you first, don't know who's last. You finish strong, complete the task. You keep it all, that body's bad. You feeling strong, you feeling glad. Remember the days that you were sad? Now you good, let's wait to carry. Trying to get big, I gotta lift weights. I wanna